Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, my new issue ACCA classes. In today's video, I'm again back to discuss the one of the query of my student, and his question was that he is getting confused in the markup and the margin. So today's video is for him. So those who are getting confused regarding the markup and the margin calculation, this video is for you. So stay tuned with this video till end. So let's start the today video. What we need to note it down is जो markup होता है, the markup is added on the cost and the margin is added on the selling price. Okay, so एक example लेते हैं, then I will make it clear. So suppose your selling price is 100. If selling price is 100 and the question says the markup is your 20%. Okay, so what would be the cost? You need to figure it out. So one thing that you need to remember is how we calculate the profit. Profit is calculated selling price minus cost equal to your profit, and this profit is if it is added on the cost, it is known as markup, and if it is added on the selling price, then it is known as margin. So this is the difference. Let me merge this cell first. Okay, so selling price minus cost is equal to your profit. Okay, so if the profit is added on your cost, in that case it will be known as markup, and if the profit is added on the your selling price, in that case it is known as your margin. Okay, so as in our case, this one is the first case. Okay, so case 1. So here selling price is 100 and markup is 20% given. So as it is markup given, so in that case selling price and the cost and the profit. Yeah, so when markup is given, in that case the selling price will be 120% and the cost will be 100%. This will give you the profit of 20%. So in case margin is given, suppose in this one is case for the markup. Okay, so this one is case for the markup, and now in case margin is given, in that case our selling price is 100% and our cost will be our profit will be 20%. That's it, but the cost will be 100 minus 20, which is 80%. So this thing you need to understand while performing the calculation. I will repeat one more time, so listen carefully one more time. So our formula to calculate the profit is selling price minus cost. It will give the profit. And if the profit is charged on the cost, it is known as markup. If the profit is charged on the selling price, it is known as margin. Fine. Up to here it is clear. Now, if the markup is given, suppose in our case it's 20%. So in that case, उस केस में हमारा selling price will be 120% और cost हमारा 100% and profit will be your 20%. Difference of these two will be 20%. But in case 20% margin is given, in that case your profit will be same as it is and your selling price will be 100. Now cost will be 80%. So in this case, suppose you need to find out the cost. How can you do that? You need to take the selling price, right? And in case of markup, selling price is your 120%. So divide it by 120%. This will give your cost, which is 0.83. I did something wrong. Yeah, I did something wrong. I forgot to add the percentage. So this will be your 83 cost. As if it has suppose this one is for the case of markup. Okay, but in case your margin has given, suppose, so in that case now this is margin, suppose. So in that case, how you will calculate the cost? So this is the selling price, and in case of margin the selling price is 100%, right? So we will divide by 100%. But what we need to calculate? We need to calculate the cost, and the cost value is 80%. So again we need to multiply it by 80%. So this will give you 80. The difference of the calculation regarding the markup and the margin. Remember, in case of markup is given, then you need to divide the selling price by 120%, then multiply it by 100%. Why? Because we need to find out the cost here. And this will give the same value, no issue. So now what you will learn, suppose in case question asks to calculate the profit, in that case you instead of 80% you need to multiply by 20%, or what you can do is 0.2 divided by the 1 and into 0.2. So in this way you can solve the question related to the markup and margin, and do let me know in the comment box whether you understood or not. So for more video like this, or in case you have any query, you are struggling with any topic, DM me. I will make a video on that. So thank you so much guys for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share it among your friends. Thank you.